Once considered a foreign food, salsa is now a beloved staple condiment at many Minnesota parties and picnics. We love salsa for chips, tacos, and a host of other delicious foods. The mix of tangy tomatoes with a little bit of spice delights your taste buds and brings out the flavor in other foods. Best of all, salsa is easy to make, has endless variations, and you can get all the ingredients fresh from local farmers and farmers markets. Our friend Liz Harris does a lot of canning herself and often sells her goods at local farmers markets. She is with us today to walk us through a basic salsa recipe that you can make fresh or store for later.
Well, Mary, we always start with a tomato base, and they should be chopped kind of medium fine because you don't want them too big so that the chips or whatever you're using can pick them up nicely. I happen to like a paste tomato called super sauce because it's less juice, firmer texture, thinner skin on it too, so you can chop it up and it works very well. If you want to spice things up, Mary, you can add any number of different peppers. We have one vendor at the farmer's market that brings all kinds of different peppers of many heats. And you can use cilantro, you could use chilies, jalapeno peppers. I like a little bit of basil in salsa.
I'm getting hungry. Let's get started.
We need to chop the tomatoes fairly small so that they will fit nicely on a chip or whatever we're using. Then we're going to finely cut the onions and the cilantro so that they mix in nicely with the tomatoes. Squeeze half of a lime, and then we'll add a little bit of coarse salt on the top to bring out the flavors.
Liz, you make this look so easy, I think anybody can do this.
I hope they do.
To find local producers in your area, go to minnesotagrown.com.